Hey friends, welcome back. Today we will be starting exercise 5.1 of arithmetic progression. So let's begin with the first exercise. So the first question is, in which of the following situations does a list of number make an AP and Y? मीन्स हमें इस क्वेश्चन में कुछ सिचुएशन दी रहेंगी, उसमें जो नंबर्स की लिस्ट है हमें ये बताना है कि वो AP अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है या नहीं है, अगर है तो क्यों. So the first part is the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. मीन्स एक टैक्सी है, उसका जो फेयर है वो जब चलती है तो फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए 15 रुपीज़ है एंड देन उसके बाद वो जितने किलोमीटर चलती जाएगी उसमें 8 रुपीज़ ऐड हो जाएंगे. So from here the solution starts. The fare for first kilometer. For first kilometer is 15. Then the fare for second kilometer. What it is told in the question that after 15 rupees means after the first kilometer 8 rupees will be add on. So for second kilometer it will be 15 plus 8, that is 23. Okay, so 23 rupees. Then the fare for third kilometer. So for third kilometer it will be 15 plus 8 and then plus 8. Then 15 plus 16 you will get 31. Okay, then let's continue to the fourth kilometer also. Fourth kilometer. So 15 plus 8 plus 8 and then plus 8 is equals to 39 kilometer. Okay, so now we will write these all values over here. 15, 23, 31 and then 39. Okay, so this is the AP, so this is the list of numbers which we have got. Now we will find that whether this is a arithmetic progression or not. So how we will find? For finding that we need to find the common difference between them. Okay, so D is equals to A2 minus A1. So 23 minus 15. 23 minus 15 is equals to 8. Then D is equals to 31 minus 23. 31 minus 23. We will get 8. Then again D is equals to 39 minus 31 is equals to 8. So what we can see over here is that we are getting the difference, that is 8. All are having a common difference. So we can say, since the difference between terms is common. Okay, the difference between term is common, therefore this is an AP. So the first part gets over here. Now let's move to the next part. Now let's do the second part of the question. So the statement says that the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. मीन्स एक सिलेंडर है, उसमें एयर भरी है और हर टाइम पे जो वैक्यूम है वो 1/4 पार्ट यानी कि क्वार्टर पार्ट उसमें का एयर निकाल रहा है. सो नाउ वी हैव टू मेक अ लिस्ट, द लिस्ट ऑफ द numbers. So let the air. हम एक रैंडम नंबर ले लेंगे. So I have taken 64. Okay. So now when the air is removed, so 64 into 1/4 means 64 का 1/4 part. So 4 ones are and 4 16s are. So we have got 16. Okay. So 64 का 1/4 part यानी कि 16 अगर हम इसमें से now when we will subtract 16 from 64 we will get 48. Now how much amount is left? Okay, let the air. Now 48 is left. 48 liters. So 48 into 1/4. Now we will remove 1/4 part of 48 liter. So 4 ones are and then 4 twos are. So 12. So from 48 when we will reduce 12, what we will get is 36. Now you must be thinking that why I am multiplying 1/4 to all these numbers. It is because in the question it is said that we are removing 1/4 of the gas which is present in the cylinder. So first 64 liter was present. So we remove 16 liter from that because we have to remove 1/4 part. Then 48 was left. So we did a calculation over here like 48 into 1/4. So by this calculation we will get that how much part we have to remove. Then that part we will subtract from the total gas and we will get the value. Okay. Now 36 is left. So 36 multiplied by 1/4 is equals to 4 ones are and then 4 nines are. So 9. 36 minus 9. What we will get? 27. Okay. So like this only it will get continued. So let's make a list over here. It's 48, then 36, then 27. Yes. Now we have got the list. Now we will check that whether this is an AP or not. And for checking that whether this is an AP, we have to find the difference between them. So D is equals to 36 minus 48. 36 minus 48. What we will get? We will
12 minus 12.
Okay. Then D is equals to 27 minus 36. 27 minus 36. We will get minus 9. So we can see over here that the difference is different. Okay, difference between them is different. So that means that this is not an AP. So what we can write? Since the difference between pair of terms is different, therefore this is not an AP. So now we have got that this list is not an arithmetic progression. Okay. So now let's move on to the third part of the question.